Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to give our 2015 Ram a much-needed LED upgrade. We recently did a ton of LED upgrades to our 2015 Ram, but the low beam headlights are still dull yellow halogens, so today we're going to change that by upgrading them to these PUTCO LED low beams. These are PUTCO's Silver-Lux LED low beam bulbs for your 2009 to 18 Ram without projector headlights. They're designed to be an easy direct fit replacement for the factory bulbs, and they put out an impressive 4,000 lumens with a nice white color temperature of 6500K for significantly improved visibility and a cool custom look. They also feature a ribbon-style heatsink for reliability and to fit into tighter spaces. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Okay, the first thing we have to do is remove the headlight to install these LED bulbs, so we're going to pop off this clip right here. Flip this up, then you have access to this bolt here, and there's another bolt way down there that secures the headlight too. Use a 10mm wrench to remove this bolt right here. There's a bolt way down in between the grille and the headlight that needs to be removed. It's pretty far in there. You will need an extension to get to it. Once you push up on the clip that secures the headlight, get behind it and push forward, and it'll pop right out. Twist this plug counterclockwise and remove it to gain access to the low beam. Then twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Lift up on the tab to release the connector, and now we can install our new PUTCO light. Assemble your PUTCO headlight by plugging the two pieces together and snapping them in place, and then this can plug into the factory harness. Put the bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Once you get the headlight in place, lock it first with the white tab on the back, then you can install the two bolts up front. Okay, now we can compare them and see how much brighter the LED is. Okay, as you can see, we have the LED on the left and the factory halogen on the right. And as you can see, the LED is significantly brighter and it's a nice cool white rather than yellow. Now that we know it's looking good, we're going to put the LED on the passenger side as well. Okay, we got our PUTCO LED headlights installed in our 2015 Ram. They're looking so much better than the factory ones. You can actually see with them. They have a nice cool white, which looks way better than the dull yellow. I'd say give yourself about an hour to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.